Well, that was an expensive spin. Don't do that, guys. But you guys don't know how long I've been trying to get this lens. This is the Sigma's new 17 to 40 f1.8 DC art lens. I mean, it's unfindable because, yeah, I've tried everywhere to find this thing. B&H, Sigma, I've tried everywhere, and I've seen online there was a listing for it. It was a little more than retail price, but I had to because I've been waiting for this lens. And yeah, this is just a quick unboxing and my first initial impressions of this lens. And also, this is my first camera related unboxing, so it's a lens. So actually comment below if you guys want me to actually do a deep dive and a review on this lens to see the chromatic aberration and to see how actually the bokeh is with this, because I heard the bokeh is actually pretty good. I mean, this is my go-to when I take any shots. Not every day, but this is what I take for like my main headshots. This is the 15, I'm pretty sure the 15 millimeter, the f1.4. This is a f1.8, so this is definitely going to be a little more background blur in this one. But yeah, like I said a second ago, if you guys want me to do a deep dive of this lens, comment below and let me know if you guys got this lens or if you guys like this lens. But yeah, this is my first initial impressions. And actually, I wanted to see the weight because this box feels weighty as hell. I know I think it's 506 grams this thing weighs. But yeah, let's see what it brings. Oh. All right, what is this? This is just paperwork and instructions that I'm probably not going to read. So let's put that back in there. If it goes back in there, okay, there we go. Yeah, I like the packaging. The packaging is pretty dope. What is this? Oh, the lens cap. Yes. Ooh. Wow. The texture feels like matty. Like it feels actually pretty good. Like it's really clicky, this button. Look at. Wow. All right. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Let's put this right over here. Wow. You could just tell the difference from the Sony and then the Sigma. Look at that difference. This could go probably around the whole thing. Wow. So you know this lens is going to be a big boy. I mean, you can definitely see from here it's going to be a big boy, but oh, I see what people are saying. This is a chunker. It's a big boy here. And I definitely like that it comes with this little cute little carrying case. It's actually black and white on the straps here. Let's put this aside. This definitely has a little like windbreaker material. All right, let's see. Oof. Wow. The metal and plastic on this is, whoa, beautiful. Look at this. This is their art lens. But yeah, this is the creme de la creme. This is what everybody's been comparing the Sony G Masters. This is a G, the G Master lens compared to this. And I've been seeing that this is almost taking the G Master, or it is a little bit taking the G Master off his high horse. But wow, this is a beautiful lens. But let's see. Wow, jeez Louise. All right, hold on. Let me take this bad boy out. Put that right there. Oh my God. This feels like 3 of these. I love this. Love this lens. But it definitely feels like 3 of those bad boys right here. But let's see how it looks a little close. See that lens? Wow. Jeez. And what I like about this lens actually is that it's a zoom lens. So obviously 17 to 40 and it's internal zooming. So when you zoom, it doesn't extend, obviously. That was a weird motion, but apologize for people watching that. So it zooms in the inside. Let's see if you can actually see it from the lens. Let's see. Oh, you can actually look at that. You can slightly see it opening and closing. So it's internal zooming. So zooming in and out from the inside, not obviously from the exterior, so you don't have to rebalance it on a gimbal every single time you use this lens. I know with other lens you have to, like the other Sigma, the 18 to 50, you have to obviously do that. But yeah, let's see how it looks on my A6700. I mean, I've seen people obviously with this lens, but wow, this is a beauty. All right. Yes. Wow. Oh, I can feel this. This is a weighty. You really have to kind of like hold it a little more firm with this. But wow, look at that, guys. Amazing. I usually put the lens cap backwards, but let's see how it looks backwards on this thing. See if it looks like a... Oh yeah, it does. That looks insane. Jeez. Wow. So obviously this lens, it has a fixed aperture of f1.8. This lens has extra buttons, so you can map it with any other thing in your A6700 or whatever camera you're using. So you can take pictures, focus. It has a focus ring, obviously, if you want to do it manually. You can do it auto or manual right there. And obviously the buttons can be clicked or declicked. As you can hear, click is on, smooth. So it doesn't sound too crazy. What I like about this is the f1.8, and there's not a lot of zoom lens at f1.8, especially for APS-C cameras. So this is actually an amazing lens. That's why it took me so long to get this lens. I mean, everywhere this bad boy's been sold out. But yeah, comment below if, yeah, you guys got this lens, you like it, or you're still trying to get it. Also, 80% of people that watch my videos are not following, so a sub to the channel will go a long way. And I like what it will be capturing. Sorry, that's a little corny joke. Like, subscribe, and see you in my next one. And also, again, comment below if you guys want to see me do a deep dive with this lens. Till next time, guys. Peace out.